idhikel.
Wadhi kaunti ma Siaya nyakura mgajuang kama jotelo mawuok e kaunti no ma Siaya opo okang' matimo lalruok gi lek mano mar manyo resruok ne piny Kenya. Gavana ma Siaya James Orengo kod jaod bura Malego Songa Samuel Atandi okoni twak makamano nyaka ta mana kod ng'ama ni kod oteku matayo thik ma ok ja Kenya mora. Ne giloso kane giyore lamo mano bagi ne Morris Ogeta ma jarit Raila Odinga manyocha obila ondhiyo kaeto oyo thuolo. Jotelo mamoko ma oloso wi chal mar Kenya oriwo George Wajakoya, jaod bura mar Arieda Otiende Amollo kod women rep ma county no Christine Ombaka.
We encourage dialogue. We encourage dialogue, and we must have dialogue in Kenya. We are one country. And Kenya cannot go on any different path but other than the path of peace and dialogue. And Raila Odinga has always followed the path of peace and dialogue. But there must be certain conditions. And Otiende Amollo, since you are the chairman of my partisan talks, I suggest in my own small way that for us to determine that Ruto is being honest about discussions and about dialogue, the first thing that he should do is either to repeal the finance bill or suspend the operation of the finance bill.
We propose that consultation must happen at the apex level of leadership between Raila Odinga and William Ruto. Any other consultation where small people like Samatandi are engaged will not be trusted by the people of Kenya. The people of Kenya want to hear that Raila Odinga has given them a solution about their problems, and those solutions will be found when Raila Odinga and William Ruto are engaged in direct consultation.